final challenge is called On a Boat Challenge. Here's the setup. You need a large towel that represents your boat. All right, I have a couple of cups to mark my starting line, and then you're going to need a whole bunch of balls. They can be pairs of socks, sock balls, soft toys. You're also going to need a basket, a box, or a bucket to aim at. All right, and I set it at about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 good-sized pieces away. Here's how it works. All right, the objective is to try to get as many balls into the basket as you can. All right, to keep your boat afloat. If you miss, though, you have to make your boat a little bit smaller each time. And also, if you miss, you have to do 5 jumping jacks. All right, so let's see how it goes. And it's okay to step off the back of your boat, but you cannot step forward of your start line. So again, swing, step, and toss. All right, so landed in. Here's 1 point. Swing, step, toss. Swing, step. All right, so I missed. All right, so now I have to make my boat a little bit smaller. So I'm going to fold it in half. All right, and then I have to complete 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swing, step, toss. Oh no. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. It's long. Oh no! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my last life now. My last life. It's my boat. Still alive. Oh no, I missed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My boat is sunk. How many points did I score? I count up my socks, my sock balls. 1, 2, 4, 5. I scored 7 points before I sunk my boat. Give On a Boat Challenge a go.